we have migrated our migrations, which means that we can't make changes to our migration. If you do so, you need to run the PHP artisan migrate refresh command. But keep in mind that all data inside your database will be deleted. Let's test it out before we continue on. Let's navigate back to PHP Storm because I have a database option where I can open an integrated database, so a database client. So let me open the MySQL connection real quick. The user is root, the password is Dari, and the database name is Laravel DB. If I apply it and close it off, open my database and refresh it, you'll see that I have 6 tables. And if I open a post table, I can add a new row. So let me quickly do that. Let's add a new row. ID is 1, the title is test, the slug is test, the excerpt is test, description as well. It is published, so let's say 1, that's true. Minutes to read is 4, and it has a created at and updated at. Once we try to make changes to our migrations, so let's say inside our post table, we want to set the slug equal to unique, navigate back to iterm, run the PHP artisan migrate command, you'll see that there is nothing to migrate. So the only option is to run the PHP artisan migrate refresh command. Now what Laravel allows you to do is to simply create a new migration where the schema table will be the table where you want to add modifications on. So let's actually do that. Right inside of the CLI, we're gonna say PHP artisan make me a new migration. Now the name will either start with change or add, but for now we will say add because we're gonna add a new column, underscore, then the column name. So let's say soft underscore deletes, underscore, in a table, underscore posts underscore table. It also allows you to add an additional flag to it named -- table, where you could specify the table inside the schema table. So let's say posts. Once we hit enter, you'll see that we have created a new migration. So let's navigate to our migration subdirectory, open the add soft deletes in post table migration, where you could see a new schema builder with a table of posts. Whatever you add in here will be added into the post migration. You could also override columns, so we could even set the minutes to read to a string or whatever instead of an integer. But for now, we're going to keep it equal to the file name, since we're going to use our table object, and we're going to call the soft deletes method. What this does is simply adding the soft delete functionality in our post table. We're not going to work on it right now, since it does require a bit of advanced things. So for now, let's continue on by just adding the column. Let's navigate to the CLI and let's run the PHP artisan migrate command, where you will see that one migration has been migrated, which is to add soft deletes in the table posts. If we navigate back to PHP Storm and open our post table, refresh it, you'll see that we still have our row. But if we navigate to the right, you will see a new column named deleted underscore add, which has been created based on the soft deletes method we called through our table object. Now this was it for the Modifying Columns episode inside the Mastering Laravel Databases and Eloquent course, where I showed you how you could easily create a new migration, which will be migrated to an existing table.